What's good, Wealthbuilderz? It's the man, it's the myth, the fun, put in work, back again with another video in another year. Alright, so welcome back, Wealthbuilderz, back to Wealthbuilderz TV. I just want to welcome you guys back to, making that money, that moolah. We did the holidays. The holidays is over. Hope you had a great holiday. Hope you had a great New Year's and Christmas and Thanksgiving and all that stuff. That's past, so back to business. All right, so let's talk about 2022 and what we're gonna do, with the Wealthbuilderz and how we're gonna change and push this, this movement forward. All right, so we got a lot of things in store. Okay, we got interviews on the Wealthbuilderz TV coming up with some entrepreneurs. We got more insight on my business and the businesses that I've jumped in the past year or the past few months, actually. So we're starting the new year off with the ball rolling. We're going hard. We're going to talk more about what the Wealthbuilderz businesses are and how you can get involved too, and how we can make money together. A little bit more insight to my family and my lifestyle and what I do and the things of that nature and how I live and things like that. So that's definitely going to be down the pipeline. We're going to incorporate that in the channel. Also, don't forget that it's all about you. It's all about building wealth and creating financial freedom and getting out the rat race, right? So doesn't matter who you are, what your occupation is, if you're 9 to 5 in, if you're an investor, even if you're unemployed and you really want to escape the whole having living check to check or not knowing where your next check is coming from, let's change that in 2022. Let's join forces and create financial freedom. Again, I got a lot of things coming through the Wealthbuilderz TV, the Wealthbuilderz.com. That's the website. That's the news website. We got merchandise coming. We got that merch, that Wealthbuilderz merch. We're definitely gonna be dropping that very soon in the next couple of weeks, mid-January. Also, I've joined forces with My Econ. If you never heard of My Econ, it's a personal financial wealth building company. I'm gonna definitely tell you guys more about that and show you my results from My Econ. There's also Lav Label. I've joined forces with Lav Label also. So that's definitely going to be a priority, along with the other ways I build income. And we're going to dive into that a little bit more this year. I think I slacked on that last year. I didn't give enough of that information now, and how you guys can get involved with it also. So that's going to be my priority, along with showing you how to make money in different ways. We're going to talk about different franchises, different way to build Small Business Saturday. We got that popping. We got a lot of things rolling. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, stay with me. All right, it's the Wealthbuilderz, and hope you're ready. 2022. Here we go. Burst.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking, you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly